Most people think a barndominium means a plain metal box sitting on a dirt road somewhere. And honestly, for a long time, that was the stereotype. But what if I told you that the most jaw-dropping homes being built in America right now are barndominium builds dressed in French country elegance? We are talking stone exteriors, arched windows, wrought iron details, limestone fireplaces, and distressed wood beams, all sitting on a barndominium frame that costs a fraction of what a traditional custom home would run you. That combination is turning heads, winning over skeptics, and completely flipping the script on what alternative housing can look like in 2026. And by the end of this video, you are going to know exactly what a French-style barndominium looks like, what it costs to build one, where the best states are to make it happen, and what nobody else is telling you about this style before you write a single check. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications, because we cover alternative housing, barndominiums, and rural property builds every single week. Let us get into it. What is a French-style barndominium? Before we talk costs and locations, you need to understand what separates a French-style barndominium from everything else you have seen in this space. Because this is not just slapping shutters on a metal building and calling it a day. This is an architectural intention, and when it is done right, it looks like something straight out of the Provence countryside. French country design has its roots in the rural farmhouses and manor homes of regions like Provence and Normandy in France. The style blends rustic natural materials with refined, elegant details. Think steep-pitched rooflines, asymmetrical facades, stucco or stone siding, combined with timber beams, arched doorways and arched windows, and soft, muted exterior colors like cream, pale blue, sage green, and warm beige. On the inside, you are looking at distressed wood beams across vaulted ceilings, stone or limestone fireplaces as the main focal point, vintage chandeliers and ornate light fixtures, wide plank hardwood floors, and furnishings with curved lines and weathered finishes. Now here is where the barndominium frame enters the picture. A metal or post-frame barndominium structure gives you that wide-open floor plan, that soaring ceiling height, often 18 feet or more, and that massive square footage at a lower cost per foot than traditional construction. What the French country aesthetic does is take that raw industrial bones and soften every single edge. It layers in texture and romance and sophistication in a way that makes the space feel like it has been lived in beautifully for decades. The result is a home that feels both graceful and grounded. Casual elegance is the heart of French country design. It is not stuffy, it is not overly formal. It has a lived-in warmth that makes people feel immediately at home the moment they walk through the arched front door. But here is what most people do not think about until they are already deep into the planning process, and we will get to that in just a moment. Because the location you choose to build a French-style barndominium matters more than almost any other decision you will make. What does a French-style barndominium actually cost in 2026? Let us talk real numbers, because this is where a lot of people get surprised. A French-style barndominium is going to cost more than a standard barndo build. That is just the honest truth. The French country aesthetic relies heavily on premium materials, and those materials add up. Here is how the pricing breaks down in 2026. A standard mid-range barndominium, nothing fancy, runs between $95 and $120 per square foot finished. A French country barndominium, with the authentic materials that actually sell the look, the real limestone, the reclaimed wood beams, the custom iron fixtures, the arched window packages, the high-end tile work, is going to run you between $140 and $200 per square foot, depending on your location and your finish level. For a 2,400 square foot French-style barndo on a 40 by 60 footprint, you are realistically looking at a finished budget somewhere between $336,000 and $480,000. That sounds like a wide range, and it is, because your material selections are going to make or break that number. Let us look at the individual cost drivers. The metal building shell or post-frame structure is still your biggest savings over traditional construction. A shell for a 40 by 60 footprint runs approximately $72,000 to $120,000, depending on your supplier, your location, and the roof pitch you select. Steeper pitches, which are essential to the French country silhouette, add cost. Foundation on a concrete slab is running $6 to $14 per square foot in most markets in 2026, putting a standard slab for this size between $14,000 and $34,000. If you are engineering for a thickened edge or pier and beam system, expect the higher end of that range. Spray foam insulation is non-negotiable on any metal building. Budget $3 to $7 per square foot, which puts your insulation cost somewhere between $17,000 and $34,000 for a 2,400 square foot build. Do not cut corners here. Metal conducts temperature extremely well, and a poorly insulated barndominium will cost you money every single month in energy bills. Interior finishes are where the French country style really shows up on your budget. For this aesthetic specifically, here is what you are looking at. A real limestone or stone fireplace feature wall, which is the design anchor of the entire living space, typically runs between $8,000 and $25,000, depending on the stone you choose and the height of the ceiling you are working with. Reclaimed wood beam installation across a vaulted ceiling runs approximately $3,500 to $9,000. Arched window packages are a premium addition, running about 15 to 30% more than standard window packages. Wide plank hardwood or high-end wood-look tile flooring runs $6 to $15 per square foot installed. Custom cabinetry in a French country kitchen, which typically features warm wood tones, glass front upper cabinets, and apron front sinks, adds another $25,000 to $60,000 depending on the scope of your kitchen. HVAC for a 2,400 square foot barndo runs approximately $12,000 to $25,000. Plumbing rough-in and fixtures add another $18,000 to $35,000. Electrical is typically $15,000 to $25,000 for a build of this size. If you are building on rural land that does not have existing utilities, budget an additional $9,000 to $34,500 for utility hookups, well drilling, and septic system installation. Total turnkey cost estimate for a 40 by 60 French-style barndominium, move-in ready, with mid to high-end French country finishes, in a barndominium-friendly state, $320,000 to $460,000. Compare that to a traditional custom home with similar square footage and similar finishes, which in most markets is running $400,000 to $650,000 or more in 2026, and you can see why the value proposition still holds even at the upper end of that range. Now here is what nobody is telling you about the French country style specifically, and it comes down to where you actually build it. The best states to build a French-style barndominium location is not just about affordability when it comes to a French-style barndominium. It is about the land, the landscape, the availability of skilled craftspeople who can actually execute the stone and ironwork, and the zoning environment that will let you build what you want without fighting City Hall every step of the way. In 2026, the research consistently points to 5 regions that check the most boxes for this specific style. Let us break each one down honestly. Texas, particularly the Hill Country region, is the single largest barndominium market in the country. There is no close second. Texas has permissive rural zoning, an enormous pool of experienced barndominium builders, and land prices that are still relatively competitive in rural counties despite rising demand. Building a barndominium in Texas is running $68 to $168 per square foot, depending on finish level and location within the state. The rolling terrain of the Hill Country, with its limestone outcroppings and cedar trees, is actually one of the most naturally suited landscapes in the country for French country aesthetic. Limestone, which is the signature material of authentic French country fireplaces and accent walls, is locally sourced in abundance in this region, which drives down your material costs significantly. You are not shipping limestone from another state, you are pulling it from the ground nearby. Tennessee is the second most compelling option for this style, and it is honestly the one that gets slept on the most. Tennessee has few statewide building restrictions. Many rural areas do not even have zoning laws, which gives you enormous freedom in your design. Land outside of tourist-heavy areas is still affordable in 2026. The landscape, rolling hills, green valleys, hardwood forests, is genuinely beautiful and serves as a natural backdrop for the French country look. The Smoky Mountain foothills in particular create a setting that feels like it belongs in another country. Build cost in Tennessee is averaging around $95 to $150 per square foot for a mid to high finish barndominium. Missouri and the Ozarks region is the third option, and it is particularly strong for this style for one specific reason. The Ozarks produce an abundance of locally available limestone and natural stone, and the landscape, the dense hardwood forests, the clear rivers, the rugged terrain, feels almost European in its character. Both Missouri and Arkansas welcome barndominium builds, with low permitting fees and minimal restrictions in rural counties. For someone going for an authentic French country feel with real stone, this region gives you the best access to materials at a reasonable cost. North Carolina and Georgia round out the top 5. The Southeast collectively has become the second largest barndominium market after Texas, driven by affordable rural land, relaxed zoning in rural counties, and growing communities of builders who specialize in post-frame and metal construction. North Carolina, in particular, offers a wide range of landscapes, from coastal areas to mountain regions, all of which can work beautifully as backdrops for French country builds. The one honest warning about location that you need to hear before you pull the trigger on any piece of land: not every county permits residential barndominiums. Rural counties are generally the most permissive. Suburban and urban areas often have appearance codes that restrict metal buildings or impose exterior material requirements that could complicate your build. Always verify local zoning, building codes, and deed restrictions before you purchase any land for a barndominium project. This is not optional research. It is the most critical step in the entire process. The honest pros of the French-style barndominium. The number one advantage of building this style versus a traditional French country home is cost. A brick or stone traditional French country home built from scratch in 2026 can easily run $250 per square foot or more. The barndominium frame gives you the structural efficiency of post-frame construction at a fraction of that cost, while still delivering the visual impact of the authentic aesthetic when the right finishes are applied. The open floor plan is genuinely better for French country living than a traditional layout. French country design is built around gathering: big open great rooms, kitchen islands that double as gathering spaces, dining areas that flow into living areas under soaring ceilings. The barndominium's natural lack of load-bearing interior walls is actually a perfect match for how this style is meant to feel. Ceiling height is another major advantage. French country interiors feel most dramatic with high ceilings and exposed beams, and a barndominium gives you 16 to 20-foot ceiling heights as a standard feature rather than a premium upgrade. That dramatic vertical volume is what makes the stone fireplace and the chandeliers and the wood beams feel proportional and impressive rather than crowded. The exterior design flexibility is also significant. Because you are working from a post-frame shell that has no fixed aesthetic, you can apply stucco cladding, stone veneer, board and batten in muted French country tones, steep roof lines, decorative shutters, and arched entryways without the structural limitations you would face retrofitting a traditional build. You are designing the look from the outside in. Durability is another honest advantage. Metal frame barndominium construction is rated to withstand winds of up to 150 miles per hour when properly built and engineered. For French country builds, in rural areas that are exposed to weather, that structural integrity matters. The honest cons you need to know here is where this video earns its credibility. Because not everything about a French-style barndominium is easy or automatic. The cost gap between a standard barndominium and a French country barndominium is real and significant. The authentic materials that create the look, real stone, real reclaimed wood beams, custom ironwork, arched window packages, are not cheap. If you cut corners and substitute lower quality alternatives, the design falls apart quickly. Fake stone veneer looks like fake stone veneer. The authenticity of the materials is what sells the entire style, and you need to budget for it honestly from the start. Finding builders who can execute this style well is harder than finding a standard barndominium contractor. The structural shell is straightforward, but the masonry work, the ironwork, the custom millwork, the detailed finish carpentry that French country requires, these are specialized skills. In some rural markets, you will need to source separate subcontractors for each of those trades, which adds coordination complexity and cost. Financing is a challenge for any barndominium, and a high-end French country build at $400,000 to $460,000 is not an easy appraisal in most rural markets. Appraisers have limited comparable sales data for barndominium properties, and the buyer pool is narrower than for traditional homes. Barndominium values are appreciating at roughly 2 to 3% annually compared to around 4% for conventional homes. If you are building this as an investment for resale, understand that the market for a luxury French-style barndominium in a rural county is a smaller pool of buyers than you might expect. If you are building it to live in and enjoy long-term, the math works strongly in your favor. Steep pitched roof lines, which are essential to the authentic French country silhouette, add cost to your shell package and your roofing material budget. Do not underestimate this line item when you are building your initial budget. Metal roofs amplify rain and hail noise. This is true for any barndominium, and it is particularly relevant for a French country build, where you are creating a serene, Romantic interior atmosphere. Quality closed-cell spray foam insulation significantly reduces this effect, but it does add to your insulation budget. Budget for it and do it right. The landscape match. Why location elevates the style. One thing that separates a truly stunning French-style barndominium from one that just looks like a barndominium with nice finishes is the surrounding landscape. French country architecture was designed to exist in harmony with rolling terrain, natural stone, mature trees, and pastoral open land. When the exterior aesthetic and the landscape tell the same story, the result is something that stops people in their tracks. This is why the hill country of Texas, the Tennessee foothills, the Missouri Ozarks, and the rural valleys of North Carolina are so well suited for this specific style. These landscapes already feel European in their character. The natural stone, the mature hardwoods, the gently rolling terrain, the wildflowers in spring, they amplify the French country look in a way that flat suburban land simply cannot. When you are selecting land for a French-style barndominium, elevation and natural terrain matter more than they do for a standard barndo build. A gentle rise on the land, a natural tree line framing the structure, a stone or gravel driveway winding through the property. These elements cost little or nothing, but they are what transforms a beautiful building into a genuine estate experience. If you have made it to this point in the video, you now know more about French-style barndominiums than most people who are already building them. You know what makes the style authentic, what it actually costs in 2026, where the best states are to build it, what the real advantages are, and what the honest challenges look like before you commit to any of this. The French-style barndominium represents something genuinely unique in the alternative housing space. It takes the cost efficiency and structural durability of post-frame construction and layers in one of the most timeless and romantic architectural aesthetics ever developed. When it is done right, with the right materials, the right landscape, and the right location, the result is a home that does not look like a compromise. It looks like an intention. If you are seriously considering a French-style barndominium build, start your research with the 5 regions we covered in this video. Texas Hill Country, Tennessee, the Missouri and Arkansas Ozarks, and the rural Southeast are your strongest starting points in 2026. Verify local zoning before you buy any land. Get multiple quotes from builders who have specific experience with custom interior finishes, not just shell construction. And budget realistically for the premium materials that make this style what it is. If this video helped you see what is possible with alternative housing, give it a like and drop a comment below telling me what your dream French-style barndominium would look like. I read every single comment, and if you want to see more content like this, the subscribe button is right there. We have more alternative housing videos dropping every week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next.